Hi, welcome to HTR Hashtag Reviews. In this video, we will see how to transfer a template from one Canva account to another. Just hover and click on these three dots and then share, and then anyone with the link can edit, copy the link, go to the other Canva account, logged in, and make sure you have the same size, whatever here. Just click on this, copy to copy the background, paste, and select all the elements, copy and paste. That's it. But if you edit in this link only, this will not be saved in this new account. So make sure that you just copy everything in the new design and then start working. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to HTR Hashtag Reviews. Catch you in the next video.